In this video, we will explain how the DragonflyAR web application can be used to track maintenance needs for an integrated detention control system. To access the Maintenance Management page, click on the Maintenance menu. The Maintenance Management page presents a table listing the maintenance requests submitted for the detention control system based on specific filters. Maintenance requests are filed in one of two ways. From the MTI Provision Detention Control software, an operator can submit a maintenance request for any device on the screen by right-clicking on the device's icon and selecting the Maintenance button. Or a user can file a maintenance request by clicking the New button from the Maintenance Management page in DragonflyAR. The table presents each request based on its report date, associated device, and the stated problem. If the maintenance request has been addressed, the repaired by and out fields will also be populated. To filter the maintenance table, click on the Filters button. When you click on the Filters button, a Filters side panel will appear. The Start Date field specifies the minimum date for which to find requests. The End Date field specifies the maximum date for which to find requests. The Device field allows the user to search for a specific device. The Status drop-down box allows you to search all requests or filter based on open requests or those that have been closed. When you have set your filters, click the filter icon to apply them. The user can create a new maintenance request from the Maintenance Management page by clicking on the New button. He or she can also edit an existing request by selecting the request from the table and then clicking the Edit icon. Whether creating or editing a request, the user will be taken to the Maintenance Form page. From this page, the user can enter the information about the request or close a request by providing the resolution of the problem. The form has the following fields. The Report Date and Time fields designate the date and time at which the request was submitted. The Complete Date and Time fields denote the date and time at which the request was addressed. Populating these fields will change the status of the request to closed. The Repaired By field records the person who addressed the request. The Device Location field specifies the device number and name associated with the request. The Reported By field records the operator that submitted the request. If the request was submitted through MTI Provision, this will be the provision operator that submitted the request. The Computer field records the control station that submitted the request. Again, if the request was submitted through Provision, this will be the provision control station from which the request was submitted. The Problem field records a short description of the problem that gave rise to the request. The Notes field records any additional notes for the problem. The Description of Repair field allows the maintenance staff addressing the problem to describe what they did to resolve the problem. The Device Replaced switch allows maintenance to record whether the device was replaced or just repaired. To save the new or edited request, click the Save button. To find out more about the MTI Detention Control System and DragonflyAR, or to request a demo, please contact us by emailing sales@montgomerytechnology.com or give us a call at 800-392-8292.